Hello everyone. Today we're going to be learning two ways to do math problems. The first way we could do is, let's say we have 1 plus 1 and we don't know what the answer is. So the first thing you could do is you could draw circles like this. Go to the right and click. So let's say you want to do 1 plus 1. We're going to count 1, then we're going to do 1, and then we're going to do another one. So let's see. Let's count how many circles we have. So we have 1 circle, space, and 2 circles. Okay, so so we have 1 and 2 circles. But what is this number right here? It's 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2. If you said 2, you're right. Now we're going to solve 7 plus 8. Another way to do math is to solve their extras. So the extras you always start with a bigger number. So the first thing you have to say is both of those numbers are bigger than 5. If they're all bigger than, both of those numbers are bigger than 5. If they're bigger than 5. So then, after that, you say, what's the extras of 7? Let's see, let's put 7 fingers. And then, how much is this? If you said 2, you're correct. So the extras of 7 is 2. And the extras of 8, let's see. What number is this? 3. Good job. So the extras of 8 is 3. So now we're going to say, what is 2 plus 3? 2 plus 3. What's 2 plus 3? Let's see. Now we're going to use our fingers. Okay, so we're going to count how many fingers I have. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. What comes after 4? If you said 5, you're correct. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, so that means, so we already have 10, right? So we already have 10. And so that means that 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay, so 10 plus 5 equals 15. So that means, 7 plus 8 equals, what does it equal? I just said it. If you said 15, you are correct. 15. If you're watching this video and you already know all this math, then don't watch it. So there's 2 ways of doing it, and there's also one more way, but it doesn't require any this. Okay. It doesn't require that. It just is memory. So 7 plus 8 doesn't change. It will always be 15. So is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 doesn't change, so it will always be 2. So let's try one more. Now let's try 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 equals, what does it equal? So let's do 4 plus 4. I can't do 4 circles, but let's do it, the extras, both of those numbers. Okay, sorry. We could do it in circles because both of these numbers are smaller than 5. So I'm going to teach you that in the next video, but for this video, I'm just going to tell you all the bigger numbers. So we're going to use circles, and then we're going to tell it the other way. Okay, so right? So we're gonna do four circles. Ready? 2 circles. No, 4 circles. 1, 2. Count with me. 3 and 4. Then we're gonna do it again. 1, 2, woo, 3 and 4. Ready? Now we're gonna count. Now we're gonna count the numbers. It's pretty big, right? It's pretty big. So we're going to count them. Ready? 1. Oop, what happens? 1, space, space, space. 2, space, 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 space. 3, space, 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 space. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we're gonna do another text box. In order to get that push text. Okay, so we missed 1. Let's do the missing one. Ready? So we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6, 7. Then after that, in another text box, 7 and 8. Ready? So 4 plus 4 equals, what number is this? 4 plus 4 equals, if you said 8, you're correct. If you said any number, I'm sorry you didn't say it right. Because, okay, so, but 4 plus 4 equals 8. Remember, 4 plus 4 does not change, okay? Now let's do not even number. Okay, so let's do, what do you want to do? Let's do 7 plus 9. Let's do that. So let's do 7 plus 9 equals, let's see. What does it equal? I don't know. Let's say I don't know. So the first way is to do the circles, but then will take too long. So we're going to do both of those numbers are bigger than 5. Okay, so both of those numbers are bigger than 5, so we already have 10. So the extras of 7 is 2, and the extras of 9 is, so we're going to do 9 is, what number is this? 4. So the extras of 9 is 4. So now we're going to do, what is 2 plus 4? Let's see. 2 plus 4. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What comes after 5? If you said 6, you're right. Shout it out when I said what number comes after blah blah. Okay, so 2 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the extras, sorry. Okay, so the extras of 7 is 2, and the extras of 9 is 4. Ready? So 2 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. Okay, so we already have 10, right? So 10 plus 6 is What do you think? Shout it out when I'm typing. That's the question. Okay, you see, say it. 10 plus 6 equals 16. Okay, so that's how you do math, and you could also memorize it. So that's how you do math. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Make sure you get a thumbs up or get a thumbs. You could get a thumbs up from me or get a thumbs down from me, or subscribe. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye.